I'll show you how to take apart the Sony PlayStation 4. First we want to flip it over, and on the back here and here you're going to have to remove some security tags, some stickers, and you're going to get security screws with a little hole or a notch in them. You're going to need a bit like this. Is get this piece apart from this, and all you got to do is this, simply that, and usually if you pick up the front here. So your hard drive's in here. If you just want to switch out your hard drive, and it's the PlayStation screw, big hit on it. Feel free to throw that over there. It's a little tricky, but it comes off. See? Or I believe the whole bottom comes out. Here comes this. This is the battery here. There's two prongs sticking over here that the battery's got to be lifted off of. There's a little cord plugged into the battery. We need to get that out. You can gently use your screwdriver to pull out the wires so you can grab it and wiggle it out. There you go. Now this is tricky. It is snug, so just sort of work it up. It will come. You don't think it's coming, but it is. See? And in there, that little port there, your battery plugs in to the PlayStation. So if you're not careful, you'll damage those. We need to remove this just by pulling on the tabs there. We also need to remove the long black wire here. It's just connected. Very lightly, just throw it to the side. We'll remove it in a minute. As well, this is your Blu-ray DVD disc drive. We want to take this out and unplug it. Screw right there. And that's going to be holding your motherboard in. It's just a little Phillips gizmo in. That's attached to the wire. Just put that off to the side. Phillips screw going to be holding this drive in place. Very, very tiny. And I believe 1, 2, that one's kind of hard to get to, 3. Let's take a look. I advise getting this bit because it makes life a lot easier, especially when you have a magnetic piece on it. I'm just using my hand. It's supposed to plug into a drill, but it's, there we go, plug out. But we don't want to pull it, we want to lift up on it. It kind of just gets plugged back in, so very gently grab it, pinch it with your nail, and unplug it. Now remember, there was a screw on the other side right here. We took it out already. And because of that, this housing should come right off. We don't want to damage that at all. Put that to the side, up on the motherboard, and just pull towards yourself. You will take it out. And as you can see, once you, and this cooling fan, ooh, look at all that. Look at that crap. I don't know if you can see that properly or not, but wow. This is what you're left with, your fan here, just by removing the 2 screws there and yanking it out, pulling her out. I want to thank you for watching my video, and I hope this helps you troubleshoot and fix your PlayStation 4. Thanks for watching.